But all is not well as far as the opposition is also concerned. If the Congress is battling scams and of course allies, here is bad news and embarrassment for the BJP. According to a report in an English daily, the BJP's ally in Punjab, the Akali Dal, is open to FDI in retail. This stand is quite contrary to what the BJP has been talking. In fact, Punjab Deputy Chief Minister Sukhbir Badal has said that the state would welcome FDI in retail if the centre is willing to consider the issues of farmers and small traders and build a consensus on this matter. Badal had in fact written to Commerce Minister Anand Sharma in 2011 supporting FDI, saying that it would benefit farmers. The BJP and other NDA allies, however, have been opposing the government's reforms push on the grounds that FDI in retail would only end up wiping businesses and small traders.
मैं डे 1 ਤੋਂ ਇੱਕ ਗੱਲ ਕਹੀ ਸੀ ਕਿ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਸਟੇਕ ਹੋਲਡਰਸ ਹੈ ਸੈਂਟਰਲ ਸਰਕਾਰ ਨੂੰ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਕੰਸਲਟ ਕਰਨਾ ਚਾਹੀਦਾ ਜੇ ਤੁਸੀਂ ਐਡਾ ਵੱਡਾ ਫੈਸਲਾ ਲੈ ਰਹੇ ਹੋ ਜਿਹੜੇ ਵਪਾਰੀਆਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਕਿਸਾਨਾਂ ਨੂੰ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਜਾਂ ਕਿਸੇ ਨੂੰ ਇਫੈਕਟ ਕਰਦਾ ਹੈ ਘੱਟ ਤੋਂ ਘੱਟ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਨਾਲ ਵਿਚਾਰ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨਾਂ ਦੀ ਐਪਰੀहेंशंस तो दूर करो।
देखिए, उन्होंने साफ कहा है कि जब तक किसानों का हित नहीं होगा इस पर मैं कोई विचार नहीं करूंगा। उन्होंने बहुत स्पष्ट किया है कि जिस तरह हड़बड़ी में लाया गया है विदेशी दबाव में, तो उनके विचारों में कोई कमी नहीं, जो हमेशा कह रहे हैं।
All right, Manavan now joins us for more on this story. Manavan, very interesting because somewhere down the line, what Badal has said makes a lot of sense, at least in Punjab. There is a huge constituency of the farmers. These farmers are farmers who use heavy machinery and produce a lot of which actually goes wasted. It is in every interest of these very powerful, well-to-do farmers that FDI actually comes in. He's only echoing that sentiment.
Absolutely, and what Sukhbir Badal is saying is something which has been discussed in the political fora here in Punjab. And even in the Akali circles, there are people who say that yes, they would have liked to go in for FDI in retail, but for the compulsions of NDA and the fact that they are a partner with the BJP. What Mr. Sukhbir Badal has now done is make a slight shift away from the BJP. However, conversely, his father, who is the Chief Minister, Mr. Prakash Singh Badal, he still is making very vociferous claims that the FDI is not good for the farmers. It will finish them off. However, Sukhbir Badal seems to be making an intelligent stand as of now.
Yes.